Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming your Google account and granting the app needed permissions. Open Google One and sign in with the account you want to manage. Once done, allow storage and backup access so the app can read contacts, photos, and device data. Make sure your network is stable, Wi-Fi preferred for large uploads, and update the app from the store if prompted. This gets the app ready to manage backups, storage, and membership features without delays. Next, you'll configure what to preserve and how storage is used. Tap Backups to select device data, photos, and contacts. Choose the folders and file types you want included. Then check storage to view usage breakdown and, if needed, upgrade to a 100 GB or higher plan to avoid running out. Once configured, enable automatic backups and set Wi-Fi only for large uploads to save mobile data. This ensures continuous. Finally, use Google One Extras and handle restores. You can enable the VPN, contact experts, and share your plan with family from the app. Each option appears in the menu for quick access. To restore, open backups, choose a device snapshot, and follow prompts to retrieve contacts or media. If something goes wrong, try restarting the app, confirm permissions in system settings, and re-sign into your Google account. If needed, toggle backups off then on again to reinitialize the sync and fix stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.